Mabuhay! My name is Romulo Paraginog Jr. I'm 34 years old from the Philippines. I am a passionate educator with 8 years of teaching experience under the Department of Education. I hold a bachelor's degree in elementary education from Southern Philippines College, which prepared me in curriculum design and student engagement. I've taught at the elementary level, managing classes of up to 35 students while focusing on creating, engaging, inclusive classrooms. I believe in student-centered teaching where every learners are encouraged to ask questions, think critically, and take ownership of their own learning. And I am also experienced in classroom management, differentiated instruction, and assessment. Beyond academics, I'm actively involved in organizing school events, cultural programs, and extracurricular activities. In organizing school events in our school, I'm the one who lead my co-teachers for the stage decorations and for our program will be organized. And in cultural program in our school, I'm the one who train our students in cultural dance. We have here in the Philippines, we call it folk dance, our cultural dance, and I'm the one who train and make their costumes and attire for our students. And in extracurricular activities, in our school, I'm the sports coordinator. I train our students in sports, especially in track and field and volleyball. Most importantly, I valued cultural sensitivity, adaptability, and inclusive classrooms, things that are very important in the schools in the US. I've seen a lot of teachers in my community who are now in the United States, and I'm greatly inspired by them to grow professionally and to be in the United States, whom in the future, when I come back here in the Philippines, I will be able to share everything that I've learned, the teaching learning experiences and teaching strategies to my students so that they will become better. Thank you.